Yeah. Come on. Come on. Is it heavy, Parker? Marcus, say hi to Mommy.
Hi.
Say trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
You look so cute. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Take as much as you want. There's plenty there. There's plenty there. How y'all doing?
Good, how are
Look
you?
adorable.
Say
You
thank
having
you.
fun?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Say yes, ma'am.
It's mine.
Oh, how cute.
Okay, so have a good night.
Have a good night.
You too, and happy Halloween, and stay safe.
Thank you. Say thank you. Happy Halloween.
Bye-bye.
Bye, honey.
Come on, Come on, Parker.
Let's go.
Parker. Good time to go.
Bye.
Good job. Put it in your bag. Pop, your favorite.